Windows 10 has enjoyed success with over 1.3 billion active installations, 300 million of those being added from 2020 to 2021. During its 6-year run from 2015 to the present, the operating system has remained fairly stable aside from the occasional new useful tools like a great new screenshot utility, clipboard history, and your mobile phone integration. That's all changes today. Recently, Microsoft has launched Windows 11. Windows 11 has different hardware requirements. Those who are running the genuine Windows 10, Windows 11 will be a free upgrade for them. The taskbar icons are now indeed centered the way they are in Chrome OS, but the start button is still to the left of the other app icons. Windows will get tightly rounded corners similar to Mac OS. Widgets are making a comeback. Microsoft is bringing back desktop widgets with the news and interest panel that recently arrived in Windows 10. But Windows 11 widgets will take that idea a step further. The new widgets will deliver a personalized feed powered by AI and use Edge for rendering. The new widgets can be expanded to fill the whole screen, and third-party content providers can take advantage of this new palette. Microsoft didn't spend a lot of time on the new setting app, but it looks great. All of us in tech community are hopeful that Windows 11 will spell the end of those ugly old dialogues that cropped up for certain settings, and that we can do everything in the new interface. Now comes the latest windowing convenience. Snap layouts. These let you choose from a selection of window layouts, easily populating them with app windows of your choice. Maybe even more important than the extra layout choices is that these layouts are saved and accessible from the app taskbar icons, so you don't have to recreate them after doing something else on the PC. New for Windows 11 will be the ability to set a different background for each virtual desktop. This makes a lot of sense. One of the Microsoft's biggest hits over the last has been Teams, its video conferencing and messaging tool. The app went from having 20 million users in 2019 to 145 million in 2021. The company wants to bring it beyond the workplace though, and a button will give easy access to it in Windows 11. Teams is cross-platform, running on Android and iOS as well as Windows. With Windows 11, when you plug your laptop into a monitor, it will remember the last app layout you were using. The tablet mode will be more similar to the desktop mode than in Windows 10, with subtle changes like more space between taskbar icons. A new stylus will provide haptic and audio feedback, and voice typing keeps getting better. Yes, you will be able to run Android apps on your PC. The integration will come through the Amazon App Store running inside the Microsoft Store app. Other significant updates are gaming gets a boost, faster performance, more security. So that's all for today. Hope you guys will be benefited by this video. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned.